Predictive Data Analysis and Customer Experience from DoWell Research. Here I will explain how we measure customer expectations and experience using predictive data analysis. First, I start with the methodology we are using. In methodology, it starts with the segmentation part. So we do the segmentation in your data sources. It may be in-house data like MIS and sales data or accounts data. Maybe an external data like feedbacks, chats, etc. from your customers. Then passive data in social media like YouTube or any other forms. So we apply the segmentations from different perspectives like user related segmentations, geographic segmentations, demographic segmentations, psychographic segmentations, and behavioral segmentations. These data is stored in your office in different forms, and it may be collected in different geographies. It may be collected in different time, and this may be a structured data or unstructured data or whatever it may be. We will do the segmentation from the existing data you have. Then from this segmentation we develop customer personas. This persona will be defined for each segment with their expectations and experience. These persona can be updated and optimized during the process, or when another set of data is coming to your office, you can again optimize this persona. Okay, I will explain what are the factors of customer expectations and experience. We define 5 set of factors. One is core factors. Core factors are the basic factors a customer is looking for when you deliver a service or product or process to your customer. For example, in the case of airline, I can explain with the core factors can be the flight should reach in time. That's a core factor any customer is expecting. Then comes to the enhancing factors. Factors that leads to customer satisfaction, but failure to deliver does not cause dissatisfaction. Maybe in airlines, the airline is providing Wi-Fi on board, so failure of the Wi-Fi may not have much impact or maybe have no impact on the satisfaction level because everybody knows this is beyond their control. Then dual threshold factors. In such factors, if factors fail to deliver, which causes customer dissatisfaction, however, if we delivered above the specific level, which causes satisfaction. That maybe we can take an example like food in an airline. If you are not providing the food, it causes some dissatisfaction. And if you are providing the above than what they expected, it causes satisfaction. And love factors, that defines and explains about the genuine empathy and caring personally. Every passenger or every user have their own limits and their own needs. If you can redefine your service and products to according to their personal needs, that they will fall in love with your company and your products or services. Then there are neutral factors, factors that are least sensitive to change the performance. That is, have no impact on service quality or product quality perceptions. That may be a billing, a contract. So these are some examples. How we do the process model for measurement. This model is used and developed by our internal team for different projects, but it can be tailor-made to your needs. The process model starts with the segmentation, as I already explained. Then identify the attributes of core factors, enhancing factors, dual threshold factors, love factors, and neutral factors. Then we come to the data modeling part. It's prepare the objectives, what we are going to analyze at this time. Finalize the variables of attributes. Prepare the scales for each factors. Then we go through the in-house data, external data, or passive data. This data mining, we can do it in in-house data at present you have. Also, we can collect data from external sources or field interviews and data collections, and passive data from social media. So we have the segmentation, we have the scales, variables, and data. Then we do analysis on expectations versus experience. Then main analysis, gap analysis. What's the gap between the expectation and experience of a user? Then we do the correlations, regressions, and give the findings. Also, we formulate the strategies and different strategic choices, and analysis on strategies and recommendations of how to implement the strategies. This is the steps we implement on predictive data analysis to measure the expectations and experience of your customers. Thank you so much.